Most of the fresh water that we use on the plant comes from the Sydney water treatment plant between here and Wollongong City. So those vessels will be transporting the iron from the blast furnace around to the steel making unit, draining that iron that's forming at the bottom. It'll be about 1600 degrees centigrade, draining it into those torpedo ladles. Anything that we're transporting liquid iron or liquid steel in will be a steel shell, and then they'll have a refractory lining on the inside. And that refractory lining has got to be heated up to about 900 degrees centigrade before we can introduce molten material into it, because otherwise we're going to get thermal spoiling and some unhappy steelworkers here that have got to pay for more bricks. On your right. There's a locomotive. It's a full bird. Don't drop your phone. Hey guys, it's just a lake. You can have a better colour. Well, come over here. I've got the coverage. Two of each. That's right.
Totally, we're three was it get the work done to it on steel age for 2 months ago. That was probably fine. We need a heap of modifications to it. There's other ones.